Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Firefly in Photoshop. First, ensure your Photoshop application is up to date to access the latest generative features. Adobe Firefly integrates seamlessly, allowing you to create stunning visuals with artificial intelligence. You will find generative tools like Generative Fill and Generative expand directly within your workspace, often appearing in the contextual taskbar when you make a selection. This integration dramatically speeds up your creative workflow. Generative Fill is incredibly versatile for adding or removing content. Simply make a selection using any of Photoshop's selection tools, perhaps selecting an empty space or an object you want to alter. Then, type your desired prompt into the contextual taskbar that appears. For example, you might type lush green forest to fill a background or remove reflections to clean an object. Photoshop will then generate 3 options for you to review, allowing you to pick the perfect result. Beyond modifying existing content, you can easily expand your canvas with Generative Expand. Just use the crop tool and drag beyond your current image edges. Hit Generate, and Photoshop will intelligently fill the new space, maintaining the scene's continuity. Furthermore, the text-to-image feature allows you to start from scratch. Navigate to File, then New, and select the Generate Image option to create a completely new image from your imagination, using just a text description. To get the most from Firefly, focus on crafting precise prompts. Instead of dog, try golden retriever puppy sitting on a wooden floor. If you have a specific style in mind, consider describing it or even uploading a reference image within the text-to-image panel for better guidance. Remember, AI generation is often an iterative process. Don't be afraid to generate multiple times, tweaking your prompt slightly with each attempt to achieve your perfect vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.